Urgent sale Suzuki Cultus 2016 limited edition only 13.50 lakh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you a very clean and well-maintained Suzuki Cultus 2016 limited edition, available for urgent sale. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and budget-friendly hatchback, this is definitely worth your attention. Let's start with the model and edition details. This is a 2016 limited edition Cultus, which comes with upgraded interior features, premium trim, and a more stylish look compared to standard models. Limited edition cars are always in demand because they offer extra comfort, better finishes, and a fresh appearance, making them stand out on the road. Now let's talk about the interior condition. The car is 100% genuine inside. Seats, dashboard, and all controls are in excellent shape. The AC, infotainment, and all electrical systems are working properly. This clearly shows that the car has been taken care of by the previous owner. The cabin is neat, comfortable, and perfect for daily use or family driving. Moving on to the exterior condition, the car has had a fresh shower for a neat look. There is no major accident, no structural damage, and minor touch-ups cover only about 50% of the surface, just to improve appearance. The body panels are straight, doors align properly, and the car looks presentable and fresh, which is important for a car of this age. Let's discuss the engine and performance. This Cultus comes with a well-maintained engine that delivers smooth acceleration, consistent performance, and good fuel efficiency. The suspension is stable, steering is light and responsive, and brakes work efficiently. It's a perfect car for city traffic, highway driving, and daily commuting, providing comfort and reliability. One of the main advantages of this car is that it is fuel efficient and low maintenance, making it ideal for buyers who want a reliable car without extra costs. Spare parts are easily available, affordable, and simple to replace, which adds to the car's practicality. Now about the price and urgency. This is an urgent sale and the final demand is 13,50,000 PKR, according to today's market rates. Cars like this limited edition 2016 Cultus rarely stay available for long at such a reasonable price. Serious buyers should act quickly to secure this deal. Round pushpin location, Karachi. Money bag demand, 13,50,000 PKR. Warning sign # urgent sale, limited time offer. This Suzuki Cultus 2016 limited edition is perfect for first-time car buyers who want a reliable and stylish car, families looking for a budget-friendly, comfortable hatchback, daily commuters who want a smooth and economical ride, anyone who wants a ready-to-drive car with minimal work. In short, this is a just buy and drive car. The engine is smooth, interior is genuine, exterior looks fresh, and the car is overall well maintained. It is a reliable, stylish, and economical vehicle all in one package. If you are interested, contact via inbox immediately because this is an urgent sale, and cars in this condition and price range do not stay available for long. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends and family who are looking for a clean and reliable car. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more honest car reviews and exclusive deals from Pakistan. Drive safely and make smart choices. Urgent sell Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR full genuine outclass condition CNG chilled AC hard to find at this price. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly car, then today's offer is something you should not miss. Presenting to you a Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR, a car known for its durability, low maintenance cost, and excellent performance in city driving. This Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR is in outclass condition. The car is touch-up genuine, with only minor touch-ups, keeping its originality well maintained. The body condition is neat and clean, giving the car a very decent and fresh look for its model year. It's a perfect choice for daily use, office commute, or even for small families. Let's talk about ownership. This car is a second-owner vehicle, which means it has been used carefully and responsibly. The overall condition reflects proper maintenance and careful driving. If you're someone who prefers a car with a clean history, this Alto is a solid option. Now coming to comfort and features. The car is equipped with factory-fitted air conditioning, and yes, the AC is fully chilled, making it perfect for Karachi's hot weather. Whether you're driving in peak summer or daily traffic, the AC performs excellently. For easy and smooth driving, this Suzuki Alto comes with power steering, which makes handling very light and comfortable, especially in city traffic and tight parking spaces. Additionally, it has power windows, adding extra convenience for the driver and passengers. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest highlights of this car. This Alto is CNG fitted, making it extremely economical. With rising fuel prices, this car is ideal for people who want to save on fuel costs without compromising on daily usability. It's perfect for ride use, office travel, or household driving. The car is running on new tires, providing better road grip, smoother drive, and extra safety. Suspension feels stable, and the car drives comfortably on city roads. Engine and mechanical condition are very good. The engine performance is smooth and reliable, giving you peace of mind for daily driving. This is a just buy and drive car, no major work required. Now let's talk about documents and location. The car is available in Karachi, and all details can be discussed directly through inbox. Serious buyers are welcome to contact. Coming to the final and most important part, price. The final demand is $775,000 only. Considering the condition, features, CNG, chilled AC, power steering, power windows, and overall reliability, this price is very reasonable and competitive in today's market. So if you're searching for a budget-friendly Suzuki Alto, with low maintenance, excellent fuel average, and strong resale value, then this Suzuki Alto 2005 VXR is definitely worth checking out. Don't miss this opportunity. Contact inbox for more details and viewing. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car deals. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Your senses will be blown by the price. Face screaming in fear. Full genuine Suzuki Cultus VXR. Only 5.70 lakh, urgent sale. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are searching for a reliable, economical, and family-friendly hatchback, then today's car is definitely worth your attention. Presenting to you a Suzuki Cultus VXR 2005, registered in 2006, available in excellent and well-maintained condition. Suzuki Cultus is known in Pakistan for its strong engine, comfortable drive, and low maintenance costs. This car is perfect for daily use, office commuting, ride use, or small family needs. Let's start with the condition of the car. This Suzuki Cultus VXR is full genuine, which is a big plus point for buyers who value originality. There are only minor touch-ups on two panels, which is completely normal for a car of this age. Overall, the body condition is neat, clean, and presentable, giving the car a fresh and solid look. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The engine is 100% okay, running smoothly without any issues. The pickup is strong, the sound is healthy, and the car drives confidently on city roads as well as highways. This is a just buy and drive vehicle, with no major mechanical work required. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of this car. The vehicle is equipped with CNG, and the AC works perfectly on both CNG and petrol. This makes it extremely economical, especially with rising fuel prices. Whether you're using it daily or occasionally, this car will help you save a lot on fuel costs. Comfort is another strong point. The air conditioner is fully functional, providing good cooling even in hot weather. This makes the car suitable for long drives, traffic conditions, and summer usage. The overall drive is smooth and comfortable. Moving on to tires and battery. The car comes with brand new tires installed, offering better road grip, stability, and a smooth driving experience. Additionally, a new battery has also been installed, so you don't have to worry about starting issues or replacements anytime soon. Let's discuss the documents and legal status. All documents are clear, giving buyers complete peace of mind. This makes the transfer process smooth and hassle-free. Serious buyers can easily proceed without any concerns regarding paperwork. Now let's talk about location and availability. The car is available in Karachi, and interested buyers can contact through inbox for further details, inspection, and viewing. Coming to the most important part, price. The final demand is 5.70 lakh only. Considering the full genuine condition, strong engine, CNG with AC on petrol and gas, new tires, new battery, and clear documents, this is a very reasonable and competitive price in today's market. Finding a Suzuki Cultus in this condition and budget is not easy. If you're looking for a budget car with good resale value, low running cost, and proven reliability, this Suzuki Cultus VXR is a great option. So don't miss this opportunity. Serious buyers only. Please contact via inbox for more information and viewing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car deals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.